Chalu and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on this video, and if you're a returning subscriber, shout out to you. Now I don't know about you guys, but I've had like the same lipstick for like, I'm not even gonna say how many years because it's embarrassing. And that's the only lipstick I've used. I've either just used that lipstick, or if I'm putting on lip gloss, I put on lip gloss and go about my way. But recently I've been experimenting with like liners and glosses. So in this video, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and show you guys some lip combinations that I've been wearing lately that I am obsessed with and that you can also try at home. You just want to spice it up a little bit. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, keep on watching this video. But of course, before we begin, hi, hello, have you subscribed? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also like this video. Okay, good. Now let's get into the video. Alright, so now you guys are a little bit close, very close to me, but I just wanted you guys to see exactly what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so for my first combo, this is one of my favorites. This is one that I've been wearing a lot lately. It's gonna be a light brown lip liner. This is what it is, and I got these lip liners off Amazon. Y'all already know I'm gonna hook y'all up with the plug. Link will be down below. It came in a pack of I forgot, a lot, and they're really creamy, they're really nice. So this is the color I'll be using. So you want to go with a color that's darker than your skin tone. That's gonna look like it's gonna give your lip that outline. And what I like to do is I like to stick to the corners here. And I don't really overline my lips too much, just because I don't know how to do that properly. Every time I overline my lips, I look like a clown. So I don't do that. Kind of getting rid of the harsh lines, if you guys can see. Now if you noticed, I didn't go in the middle with the liner. I went on the two sides, almost like I'm creating a shadow. And what that is going to do is give the illusion that your lips are more plump than they actually are. So we want to make the sides a little bit darker than the middle. We're creating an illusion, girl. It's all an illusion. So the next step of our illusion is I'm actually going to draw a line down the center of my bottom lip. So like this. I know I look crazy, but trust me. So down. I'm not coming all the way down, just like in the center. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with a lip gloss. I'm not rubbing over that line as yet because I don't want to smudge it. We're just going around it like this. And now we're going to just like blend it out. Just a little bit. So what I did, I just rubbed off the little bottom part. Okay, so that was my first combo to make your lips look a little bit, you know, plump, a little bit more juicy. Now we're kind of going to do something similar, but I'm going to show you guys. Now this is good if you have darker lips and you want your lips to look a little bit lighter. We're going to go back in with our brown, same brown I just used. I'm going to line it similar to how we lined it before. So I'm going to go over. Okay, yeah, we look crazy. Okay, cool. Now we're gonna do this. just so the lines aren't as harsh. So we're just gonna keep on doing that. Now this alone, if you put your lip gloss over this, it's gonna look bomb, but I'm gonna show you what to do. So I'm gonna take a liquid lipstick. Here it is. Again, all of these will be linked down below, and this is number 10. So as you can see, it's a lighter color. So I'm gonna take this. It's a lighter pink. So this is the color I'm using for my skin tone. So all you have to do is just use a liquid lipstick that's lighter than your skin tone. That's it. Watch me. Okay, y'all see the vision? Y'all see the vision? Now we're just gonna do this motion again and kind of blend them into each other. To be honest, if you wanted to, you could rock it just like this. If you want more of a matte finish, there you go, you're done. I'm gonna use a clear lip gloss. This is the e.l.f. liquid lacquer. Okay, you see it right there. They smell good too. The bigger the contrast between the two shades that you're using, the more obvious it's going to be, and you want it to be obvious. This is what it looks like. You know, cute. Again, if you have darker lips and you want them to look lighter, this is a perfect method. You can line your lips with a dark, I know it sounds counterintuitive saying to make your lips lighter, line it with a dark shade, but it's all about the contrast. We're creating an illusion here. So you want a darker line and then a lighter liquid lip on the inside. Blend them together, pop your gloss over it, and baby, there we go. Alright, so the next step we're going to do is going to be a similar concept to the one that we just did. So we're going to be using this very dark lip liner, and then I'm going to be using this liquid lip, and then for the insides of our lip we're going to be using this. So this is another light color compared to these. So they have a very purple undertone going here. Now sometimes when you're lining, you want to use just the sides of the pencil instead of like the tip. It makes it much easier. Going in with that dark, and we're only going to do around the edges. This is it right here. It's like a very light purple. It's really pretty. So we're gonna go on the innards of our lip. And then we do this thing. I know you see this. You see me. Oh, this is so good. And this is something I would wear matte. But y'all see this? Be a little close up. Hi, how are you? How you doing today? This lip combo is for when you're not playing. You're not playing! We're not playing with these hoes. What do you guys think? This is a very nice date night, late night kind of color. And I want to see how it would look with some gloss over it. it's definitely a look. Okay, so I finally got that off. I just used oil. Just rub it on my fingers, rub it all over my lips, and just wipe it off, and boom. Now the next style is gonna be more of like an ombre. It's gonna be it's kind of like the opposite of what we've been trying to do. We're gonna use some concealer to just blend our lip away. It's actually better to put concealer on your lips before you do your lips, because it kind of gives you a blank canvas to work on. Kind of like this reddish. This is number 5. Literally, we're gonna just put it on the center of our lip, and we're gonna be using our finger to blend it out. So you want it to look like you've been sucking on a lollipop. That's really what it is. You don't want to fill the entire lip, so that's the thing. You want to create a gradient. I love this one. Alright, so the next lip I'm going to show you guys is kind of like that whole Kim Possible She-Go look that's really trendy right now as well. But I'm going to show you how you can do it in a more like realistic format, you know, day-to-day wear without looking, you know, looking like a cartoon character. So you want to take a brown or just a darker shade pencil. Now with this one, we want to come in a little bit. Now we are going to line the bottom, but we are going to lightly line the bottom. We're not going to line it as thick as we did the top. Lightly, very lightly. If you line the bottom like you line the top, it's not going to give that look. How's that look, y'all? And again, remember to fill it in. Very light lipstick. That's what we're gonna do. Now you don't necessarily have to use this. You can actually just line your lips and leave it, but I want to like kind of have that obvious contrast, so I'm gonna use this. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can tell on camera, but it's really subtle, but you can like see it. Like you can see that my top lip is darker than my bottom lip, and it's given, you know, Kim Possible realness, you know, She-Go realness, but like you can wear this out, you know. Okay guys, that's all I have for you today. I just wanted to do a quick little video to show you guys how I do my favorite lip combos. I didn't want to do too much because it's really just the concept. As long as you got the concept, you can go and you can create so many more of your own styles. Listen, play around with it, have fun, you know, makeup should be fun. You can literally do whatever you want to do. There's no rule book that says you have to do your liner a specific way. There's no rule book that says your lipstick or your lip gloss should look a specific way. Do whatever you want to do, mama. These are just some things that I've been playing around with recently, and I just thought they were fun and something that I could share with you guys, and maybe you can try them too. I mean, you stuck around this long, might as well go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button as well. Don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Instagram if you want to. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much again for watching and coming and hanging out with me. And to anyone out there, bye.